Did you know someone might have been living in your house for weeks without you knowing? In March 1922, the Gruber family lived on an isolated farm in Bavaria, Germany. Andreas Gruber first heard strange sounds coming from the attic at night, then footsteps above their heads when everyone was accounted for. Newspapers appeared on their doorstep that nobody remembered ordering. Tools went missing from the barn, only to reappear in different places. But the real terror came when Andreas found footprints in the snow. They led from the forest directly to their house, but there were no prints leading away. Someone had been living in their attic for weeks, watching them sleep. On March 31st, all 6 family members were brutally killed with a pickaxe. The killer stayed in the house for days afterward, feeding the animals and eating their food. 100 years later, nobody knows who did it. The Hinterkaifeck murders remain Germany's most chilling, unsolved case.